Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. DTR Overrides. Navigate to Data Upload DTR Overrides. How to override existing employee DTR. Step 1. Select employment name, view type, and month year by clicking available drop-down list and icon in order for you to override DTR. Override button, main grid will be visible. Step 2. While on the main page of DTR Overrides, select specific record to override time entries. Note: DTR Overrides main page will open. Key fields are employee ID and month year only. Employee name, ID number, and department will already have values based on the account you use to log in the page. Non-key fields are view type, month year, table grid, column names, day, AM in, AM out, PM in, PM out, undertime, remarks, action. A combo list box is a user input device in which the user can select an option from a drop-down list or type in a value into a text box so that the appropriate choice can be selected. This term may also be used in reference to a drop-down list which only allows choices to be selected. User cannot type a value. Step 3. Try to save information. Click Override button in order to override time entries. Note: all fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field if you click Override button without inputting values in any field. Note: override DTR entries. Modal page will open. Employee name, department, and DTR date will already have values and not editable. DTR time entries tab. AM entries in, out, PM entries in, out, undertime minutes, remarks, undertime remarks, others tab, time OT hours, hours equivalent, days equivalent, time OT payable. Step 4. Click Close button icon if you want to close the page. Step 5. Repeat Step 3 if you want to continue and override existing time entries. Step 6. Edit or update needed values if you want to override time entries in DTR Time Entries tab. Step 7. If you want to continue, click Others tab to input or update values. Step 8. If you want to save inputted data, click Save Changes button to save current update. Note: a pop-up verification window will appear that new record has been successfully added. Step 9. Click OK button to exit and go back on main page. How to print DTR. Step 1. Select employment name, view type, and month year by clicking available drop-down list for you to print DTR. Print DTR button, main grid will be visible. Step 2. Click Print DTR button in order to print daily time entries, with or without updates. Step 3. Click Back button to go back to previous page. Step 4. Repeat Step 2 if you want to continue. Note: if ever do you want to adjust or select zoom options, click Zoom drop-down and select specific zoom size or input zoom size while having its %. Then you can also use the page navigation option to access directly to specific page. The previous page icon and next page icon will be available once in Print Preview Display Report have various pages that it will let you go back and go to next pages by clicking the said icon. Furthermore, use the Search for Text search box by using the telescope icon after inputting values in search box. The search text will be highlighted. At the same time, use the Refresh Report icon to refresh the report display in its print preview. Zoom options. Page navigation option. Next page icon. Previous page icon. Search for text. Telescope icon. Refresh icon. Step 5. Click Export icon for you to print data. Note: if you click Export icon, expected result export option modal page will appear. Take note: export option pop-up window varies to the browser used by the user for printing. So expected that if you use different type of browser and printing information, different print setting window or option will pop up. Step 6. Click Export button in order to print and download the selected file. Note: if you click Export button, expected record will automatically download and the downloaded file format is in PDF form. Basically, in Firefox browser, in order to view downloaded file, you need to click View Download of the browser to view downloaded file. Step 7. Click View Download in order to download and print the selected file. Step 8. Select specific file in order to open and print. Step 9. Click the selected file to open and print. Step 10. Click Print icon in order to print file. Step 11. Click Print button for you to print file. The end. Thank you for watching.